Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change table style color in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to change the table style color. Firstly, select a column or rows, then go to the table design menu. You can style apply the format, otherwise you can apply manually color. Click the fill drop down menu and choose any color. Now we select another columns or rows, then click the fill color option and choose any fill color. Now we can see we change the table style color very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.